Ganun ang nararamdaman ko, babe, pag kasama kita. Parang hirap huminga kasi andyan yung love ko eh.
Ray! Ang corny.
Ay, ang ganda, babe.
Halika.
Kuna kita, sige.
Good morning, everyone! We're here at Mammoth Lakes. Remember we were here like January, it was winter. And now it's fall. There's no snow.
But it's still cold.
But it's still cold. I'm wearing a sweater and another jacket. Come on.
Come on, let's go. Join me.
Say, good morning, everyone.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Good
morning,
everyone. We are here at Mammoth Lakes.
This is Lake George.
So we're gonna camp tonight and tomorrow night. It's Friday today. Hindi ako pumasok.
Yeah.
Hindi kami pumasok sa work. Kasi pagod na kami sa city life. Tama?
Yeah. Pagod na eh. Pero hindi kami dito magka-camping mismo sa Convict Lake.
Convict Lake.
Mga 10 miles away from here.
Yeah. 15 minutes away. And this is Lake George.
Sinabi ko na
Ay, talaga.
Yeah. Yeah. So doon kami nagpa-reserve sa Convict Lake kasi akala namin parang puno na dito kasi parang first come first serve. Eh dati kasi nung nagpunta kami dito ng summertime, parang
Crowded.
yeah, crowded. So talagang wala kang makitang space. Campsite, no? Wala kang makita. Eh ngayon, marami. Parang walang masyadong tao, hindi masyadong busy.
Because one, it's Friday. So yung mga taong pupunta dito nasa work pa.
Oo.
And then second, it's fall.
So parang siguro nag-lessen na yung crowd.
Yeah. And it's cold.
Lamig na. Although, you know, with the proper gear, okay pa rin dito. Ganda pa rin ang kasi hindi siya yung cold na yung yung unbearable na ganun. Okay pa rin siya. Basta may proper jacket ka, ganun.
Also take note na nasa high altitude ka. So elevated. Medyo mahirap huminga. Para ka nasa Colorado. Yeah.
Ganun ang nararamdaman ko, babe, pag kasama kita. Parang hirap huminga kasi andyan yung love ko eh.
Ray! Ang corny. Okay, we'll enjoy the day and then we'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Oh, you do the thing.
Okay,
Bye bye.